Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for this opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Titin Winarti. I'm from Semarang University. My team, there are Henny Indriawati and Fancy Vidya. In this presentation, will be discussed about performance comparison between net Bayes and K-near-Snakeberg algorithm for the classification of Indonesia language article. Introduction. The match between the contents of the article and the article theme is the main factor whether or not the article is accepted. Many people are still confused to determine the theme of the article appropriate to the article they have. For that reason, we need a document classification algorithm that can group the article automatically and accurately. There are many algorithms that can be used to classify the article. The algorithms used in this study are net Bayes and the K-near-Snakeberg algorithms. Net Bayes algorithm was chosen because it can produce maximum accuracy with the little training data, while the K-near-Snakeberg algorithm was chosen because the algorithm is robust against data noise. The problem is how to match the contents of the article with a journal themes. The purpose is so that the article is accepted. The research state start with collected data training and next pre-processing and compute the index term and next the classification process with net-based method and K-near-Snakeberg methods. After that, to compute performance, we use the confusion matrix. Let's see the step by step in this stage. Dataset. Dataset use 40 article. This article include information technology, economic, law, and civil engineering article. Next, the preprocessing. Text preprocessing aim to prepare text document into data ready to be processed in the next process. The step preprocessing carry out tokenizing and case folding. And next step is index term. Index term writing with TF-IDF. TF-IDF algorithms is a way to find the weight of a term in a document. The TF-IDF algorithm combines two ways to calculate its weights, namely by calculating the frequency of occurrence of term in particular document TF and performing inverse calculation on the document frequency contain the terms. And the next step is classification process. In this article, we will compare the performance of the net-based and K-near-Snakeberg algorithms. Net-based classification or NBC. Net-based is a supervised document classification algorithm which means requires data training before carrying out the classification process. This process will produce the word in each document that characterize the document in certain category. K-near-Snakeberg. K-near-Snakeberg or KNN is a supervised algorithm which means it requires training data to classify the object that is the close in distance. And the next step, a confusion matrix. Evaluation of the classification result of Indonesian language article is carried out using the confusion matrix. This algorithm presents the result of the classification uses a matrix. The result and discussion. This is the result algorithm net Bayes and Carnier-Snecbert. Based on 40 documents that have been tested, the result of the calculation of precision, recall, accuracy, and error of the each algorithm of length. It can be seen that the performance of Bayes algorithm is better than the Carnier-Snecbert algorithms. However, the classification accuracy cannot be achieved perfect result in absence of error. This is influenced by the amount of the test data and training data used and the pre-processing stage carried out. For the Bayes algorithm, the obtained accuracy is quite good. This is because the advantage of the Bayes algorithm itself, which is capable of doing classification even though it has little training data for estimating its parameters. Whereas for the Carnier-Snecbert algorithm produce lower accuracy. This because the algorithm is not effective if there are only small amount of training data. Conclusion. The result obtained show that the Bayes algorithm has better performance with accuracy rate of 88%, while Carnier-Snecbert algorithm has fairly low accuracy rate 60%, so that Bayes algorithm produce high performance for small and large scale data. Announcements. Thank you to the Semarang University and Faculty of Information Technology and Communication and the Institute of Research and Community Service for finding the suitability of this article. Thank you for this presentation. Bye.